fun! We're going to use 4 colors of clay: pink, blue, white, and black. Let's start with a box. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll it into a carrot shape with your hands. Hooray! Body is done. Now make some antennae. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 3 little balls. Then roll them into sausage shapes with your fingers. Attach them. Then take a piece of pink clay and roll 3 little balls. You've done it! The antennae are done. Let's make some eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Then make deepening with a pencil. Hooray! The eyes are done. Let's make some pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 tiny balls. Hooray! The pupils are done. It's time to make some legs. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 2 mid-sized balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers. Super! Come on! The legs are done. Let's model some arms. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 2 mid-sized balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers. Awesome job! The arms are done. Model some lips. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Roll it into a sausage shape with your hand. And bend it with your fingers. Then press it with your fingers. And bend it with your fingers. Well done! The lips are done. Now make some teeth. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 little ball with your fingers. Roll it into a sausage shape with your fingers. Then flatten it. And make a cut with a sculpting tool. Hooray! The teeth are done. Great job! Everyone will like your Terry. I guess you want to make one more figure.
I was dreaming of being in your collection. Which of my best friends do you think wants to be in it too?